Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of merchant. A person or company involved in wholesale trade, especially one dealing with foreign countries or supplying merchandise to a particular trade. For example, a tea merchant. The second definition of merchant. A person with a partiality or aptitude for a particular activity or viewpoint. For example, his driver was no speed merchant. American pronunciation. Merchant. Merchant. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Merchant. Say. Merchant. Merchant means wholesale trader. Merchant. Merchant. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. More than 80 merchants sell fresh produce, meat, fish, flowers, breads, crafts, books and clothing. Now, repeat after me. More than 80 merchants sell fresh produce, meat, fish, flowers, breads, crafts, books and clothing. The second practice. Before emigrating, he worked in his father's business of wholesale yeast merchants in Strickland Gate. Now, repeat after me. Before emigrating, he worked in his father's business of wholesale yeast merchants in Strickland Gate.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.